So you guys remember the sauteed broccolini that I made? Well, here are the black garlic shrimp to go with them. I used 1.5 pounds of jumbo shrimp. I removed the shells, but I keep them in my freezer for stock. I do like to keep the tails on for added flavor. I add some lemon juice to the water and just swish them around until they're thoroughly clean. Once I drain the shrimp, I add some kosher salt, some black pepper, seafood seasoning or Cajun spice, and some black garlic seasoning, which is low sodium, by the way. After seasoning the shrimp, I mix it thoroughly and then add some fresh chopped garlic. I let it sit for about 15 minutes and now it's ready for the pan. 2 cloves of garlic go in a pan of brown butter and olive oil. Just as the garlic starts to turn brown, I add my shrimp. As you can see, I'm crowding the pan with shrimp because we're not frying them. We want that juice to collect at the bottom. That's why it's important to leave the tails on. Now to amp up that flavor, I added some lemon juice and some rice wine vinegar. I drain off the juice to give my shrimp a chance to crisp up. And right now, they are looking just about perfect. When I tell you guys, I love my broth, this is what I'm talking about. Doesn't this look good? I know, you don't have to tell me. And once you plate your shrimp, you can just keep spooning that delicious broth over your shrimp to your heart's desire. And yes, there are people like me who enjoy shrimp with the tails on. It's okay. Just enjoy your food. Peace.